Are you recording?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Oh, I forgot to hit record. I have to eat a rock.
What kind of rock? How many rocks? Are you actually going to swallow it? Are you actually going to swallow it? Why is it like that?
I think it busted my tooth.
Do you think you're bleeding? Kids, this is why you should never eat rocks. My mom thinks she just busted her tooth. Let me see. Which tooth? Right here? Well, I see blood. Right here on this tooth. No, no, no! I knew it! I knew it wasn't rocks. I looked at them. Oh, this is candy?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, stop.